makes me wanna let it go. Can't let this thing called love get away from you. Feel free right now, go do what you wanna do. Can't let nobody take it away from you, from me, from we. No time for moping around, are you kidding? And no time for negative vibes, cause I'm winning. It's been a long week, I put in my hardest. Gonna live my life, feels so good to get it right. So I like what I see when I'm looking at me, when I'm walking past the mirror.
Morning, happy terrific Tuesday. One more day for the work week to be over. Yesterday morning, today, I'm like, get somebody else to do it. I did not want to get up to get ready to go in here. Like I said, it's been kind of dry. It's 66 degrees right now, and it is sunny, as you can see. I don't even know what we're going up to. We didn't get any rain yesterday. Yesterday was a great day, weather-wise. It was a great day, period. But I am on my way to work. Still waiting on Michigan State to give the final thumbs up. You know, it ain't over till they say he's a graduate. So, still waiting on that. I guess they're going to take their sweet time. We probably won't hear nothing until Monday, since it's a holiday on Thursday. I don't even know, but I'm gonna mosey on in here and do my 5 hours. Running a little behind. Yesterday I was a little early, so I'll be a couple of minutes. I ain't even gonna harp on that, but yeah, let me get on in here and I shall pick you, ladies and gentlemen, up a little later. Oh, I did go to 22 barbecue for dinner. He's got enough for tonight. Got Jalen something too. Look, I just eat the rice and the beans and the vegetables. But I ain't got much to do when I get home now, because they have dinner. But I shall pick you guys, you ladies and gentlemen, up when I get off work. All right. A girl is out of here. It is 81 degrees out here, super sunny, and I'm ready to go. A girl is starving. I will be eating some leftovers. One more day. I am not a morning girl, but I'm out of here. I will see. I'm gonna pick y'all up once I make it home. I ain't got nothing going on. Still didn't hear anything from Michigan State yet. Nothing was put in. I'm thinking it's not going to happen until Monday. So many people in administration must be on vacay because of the 4th of July. Because I probably would have took this whole week off too. I have a family reunion that I can't even plan to go to because I don't know what's happening with this. So I don't know. But I shall pick you, ladies and gentlemen, up a little later, hopefully. If not, we shall speak. We shall converse in the morning. All right. Talk to you later. Good morning. Happy, wonderful Wednesday. But I'm just going to say it. Happy Freedom Friday. Because a girl don't have to go to work Thursday or Friday. So I am super excited today. The sun is sunning. It is 67 degrees. We've been waking up to the 60s in the morning, which is fine with me. So 4th of July is tomorrow, y'all. We already in July. We already at the 4th of July. It is crazy town how fast it's going. I was up super late for me. I think I went to bed about 12ish, trying to push this young man, get these papers done, send them in, submit them. So he has one more to submit today because he said, Ma, I can't do it. I can't finish it. 2 pages to go for this one paper, and that is it. Now, this intern entailed the 6 credits. 6 credits. So, although he had to do 270 hours of working for free, interning, he had about 4 papers to do. He had assignments. He had to do time logs. supervisor had to give him evaluations. He had to create a LinkedIn, which he did that back in high school. So, but he had to do another one because, yes, of course, he didn't have the same email address. And hey, he was in high school when he did that. What else? So you get points for everything. So it was basically 2 classes in one. So where he was thinking, and him being a young man, you know, oh, let me do these hours, let me get these time logs, let's just get this evaluation. Oh, no. You've got some papers to do. Self-reflection. What else did he have to do in there? Next step, career goal. And it had to be APA 6th edition, 12 font, yeah, all that jazz. So they check for all of that. At this point, look, give him a passing grade. Let's be done with it already. Let's be done with it. So he'll be done with it this afternoon. I told him have it done before I get off work, which I don't know. He'll get it done today. 2 more pages. And I'm on my way to work. We're going to do food pantry today. I hope these people have big, ginormous bags and shopping carts because they're going to get so much. Got to get rid of this because we're not going to be there. Then we're going to get another shipment. So I'm feeling good, y'all. I'm feeling good. I'm super excited for Jalen being a graduate. And my son's back from his trip. They got back early evening yesterday, calling me because he's like trying to eat some old ass pizza that was in the fridge. And she's like, no, that is too old. Throw it out. And of course, he showed it to me. I said, yeah, a little dry. Throw that shit out. So they was cleaning out the fridge, looking all tan and bronzed. And I believe they're off today. Yeah, he said that they're off today because he plans his trips and he's like, look, I need a day off before I go back to work. Then they go back to work tomorrow, and then he's going to be off for the weekend, I believe. Knowing them, they'll probably go in 2 hours. But I'll pick you guys up a little later when I get off. Now that I can have a 4-day weekend, I feel a little better. Girl, tired. All right, I'll pick y'all up later. A girl is out of here. I am so happy to start this 4-day weekend. I don't know what to do. 87 degrees out here. Husband is home. I do not have to worry about what to make to eat because guess who's been home all day? Okay. So I'm pretty sure we're gonna be eating out. It is okay with me. Go home, take these scrubs off, throw on something comfortable, and that's gonna be about it. Tomorrow's the 4th of July. I'm gonna make sure Jalen does these last 2 papers, submits them, and then that's a wrap. It's gonna be what it's gonna be. And hopefully, I'm hoping on Monday that this teacher has everything in and can give him his grade and he can start making plans. But it was a nice short week. I'm super excited to go home, and I'm hoping that you ladies and gentlemen have a wonderful 4th of July, and hoping that you have a safe one, and hoping that you are already having a great week, because I sure am. So let me get on here, get on home, see what my fellas is doing. My son, I talked to my son, he said he's gonna stop by, so I'll probably see him in a couple hours, him and Lala, because no, they didn't have to work, and they probably have a little something for me coming back from Turks and Caicos. So I'll pick you ladies and gentlemen up a little later. All right, talk to you soon. So super pretty. Y'all see my babies? My babies. This was a small plant that my mom gave me. Oh my God. Y'all see these babies? Absolutely absolutely beautiful. They're turning purple now. They were blue. Oh, so pretty. I finally made it to Walmart. See if I can find stuff for the deck. I believe these things are in the wrong spot. They said $1. Clearance. These are pretty. I like this. Oh, they still have the trays. Do I need more? Walmart, y'all. A lot of stuff on clearance. That's a big bowl. All right, let me see what I'm gonna get. Y'all know it's almost like 10:30 at night. Yep, no better time to start. I'm in the park with husband and Jalen because they've been coming. It is the 4th of July, and I'm in here with them. Good morning, everybody. It's about 9:30. Happy Throwback Thursday. Happy 4th of July. Had my coffee this morning, so I'm gonna walk. They're about to take off. I said, they don't gotta wait for me. All right. So, y'all, this is the opposite way. The fountains. So pretty. I can see them left me. Yep. Hey, duckies.
You ain't let that sit in there go. You was fucking shit. Scared. Forever 21. Where's Forever 21 at?
Jersey Garden. Show y'all how the flowers came out. Yep. Oh, it's dark over here. I'm doing fine. Y'all, these fireworks are right on my block. I'm scared because you can hear it on the cable, right? Well, click you. Oh my God.
You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not fake. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hit me up when you make it. You'll try to come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop. Those on this side, talk over on this side. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something.
Good morning. Happy marvelous Monday. It is July 8th. Girl had her 4 days off and it was glorious. I ain't want to get up and go, and I'm like, oh, just another day. I'm like, no. 76 degrees already. Not even 7 a.m. Girl's on her way to work. Had a nice 4th of July. Sat in back. We have, we could see fireworks right from the backyard, and we moved out to the front because there's a family that does, well, now they celebrated Juneteenth, but remember it rained. Well, here in New Jersey it rained, so he had fireworks left, so he did the fireworks on the 4th of July. So, and they were beautiful. I have captured some of that, so I'll probably put some of that up. I love fireworks. I love fireworks. We used to travel near and far to go see fireworks when I was a young person. But I'm on my way to work. Not much, just a relaxing 4 days. Didn't do much. Didn't do much at all. It was super, 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 super hot. And you know, this girl here, menopause and heat, we are not friends. We cannot mingle together. So I was doing my best to stay cool. I did drink a lot of wine over the 4 days. Had a couple of Coronas. Had nachos. Found this new place over there. I had nachos twice because they used all fresh ingredients. It was absolutely delicious. So nachos. What else did we do? Nothing really. Nothing. nothing. Wednesday, everything got turned in for Jay Bird. So it's only showing that professor has to go in there and I guess check all his papers, check his hours, check whatever, everything that was put in. So we wait. And I figured it wasn't going to happen last week because it was a holiday week. But it is not a holiday this week. Everybody for the most part should be back at work. Him included. So, sir, we already prayed on it that he was going. You know, I emailed Jalen's academic advisor, and Jalen emailed the professor, you know, stating that he is done if he could, because he's trying to transition to somewhere else. So we shall see. But I'll pick you guys up when I get off work. Let me have me some coffee. I didn't make none. I don't even have any. I gotta go to the store, get coffee, creamer. I gotta go to ShopRite. Champ don't have no more food. Last bit of food scooped out this morning. So about 4 o'clock I need to have that boy something. So we gotta figure something out. I don't know. I saw my husband took out some chicken breast, so I'm assuming that's what he wants. I think he said. So I think I'm just gonna season it and put it in a pan, and then he can put it on the grill. I don't mess with the grill, but he can put it on the grill when he gets in, I guess. I'll pick y'all up later. All right. Good morning. Happy terrific Tuesday. Didn't pick y'all up when I got off work yesterday. I think I was talking to my husband, or I was doing something. I don't know. All I knew is it's extremely hot. It is 78 degrees right now. And I'm on my way to work. And again, get somebody else to do it, because this girl did not want to get up to come in here. I just feel that I should be lounging. And that's all I want to do. But I have days, but I'm trying to savor them and hold on to them until I really want to do something. Because it's not like I want to go anywhere right now. Well, I do want to go somewhere. I want to take this boy to school if this professor puts these grades in, so that he can be a graduate. Because of course I went on there, I'm like, what's the code? Let me go on here. That is the only thing sitting there not graded. Everything else is graded and closed. How about that? Closed. So I need to really get on the ball. I've been saying this and saying this and saying this. I need to put some blogs out. I'm in May. It's July. It's gonna be December. But this is frustrating me. This is really frustrating me. And it's so quiet out here right now, y'all, because there's no school. But then again, I'm getting ready to ride by there, I think. Oh, no, it's on the other side. I think summer school done started for these kids, the ones that got to go to summer school. I think that started yesterday. So it usually starts after the 4th. So maybe it's too early. Well, it's too early. I don't think they would have to be to school this early, but yep. It is hot everywhere. Hot, hot, hot. And hurricanes. I saw some posts that JP put up on Instagram, and I'm so glad they're safe. I need to make a couple of phone calls, because I don't watch the news. And if I'm not scrolling somewhere seeing it, I won't see it. So I'm glad she's safe. Okay, something's going on with this eye. I'll pick y'all up a little later when I get off, hopefully. It's gonna be another scorcher. All right, girl is out of here. Made me a doctor's appointment at 2 o'clock, so I need to go home, take a quick shower, and head on over. It is 12 noon, and it is 95 degrees. So a girl is definitely up out of here. Oh my goodness. It's hot, y'all. And I know there's other places that are hotter, but it's been hot. It seemed like since Father's Day here. This is crazy town that it's so hot every day. But I will pick you ladies and gentlemen up a little later. Once I guess come back out to go to the doctor. Doctor's not too far from me, so all right. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and turn on that post notification bell so that you never miss another video. Talk to you later.